Hi guys, it's Allison here, and today I'm going to be doing the what's it called? White Girl Challenge, and it really isn't what it sounds like, thankfully. I also wouldn't be doing it because I am not old enough for that. But don't shake. Anyway, so I have them on my phone because I am so amazing that I cannot memorize like 2,000 questions in my tiny head of mess. So, let's get started. First question, what is your favorite Starbucks drink? Well, my favorite Starbucks drink is seasonal. It is the Cookie Crumble Frappuccino, because it's amazing. I love it, and if it wasn't seasonal, then it would probably be Vanilla Bean Frappuccino. Oh! But, so yeah, stop moving. Sorry, my source is like moving. Okay, right. Okay, how long does, can you not move now? Okay, thank you. How long does it take you to get ready in the morning? A good 10 or 15 minutes. Or 5 if I am in a rush. Because I'm awesome. And I do not get up from bed until I get like 10 more minutes of sleep. So yeah, now I'm usually in a rush. Do I have like a lazy eye to you? Looks like a lazy eye, like right there. Lazy eye. Just anyway, how many selfies do you take on a daily basis? 0. Like, I never have taken a selfie. Once. I think I've done once, twice. That's it. Most people are like, selfie. I'm just like, selfie, and done. But they're like, selfie. Gosh. Anyway, how many Instagram followers and pics do you have? Unknown at the time. A secret. We'll say it's a secret. I'll comment it down below. Do whatever that thing is down there. Do you ever say LOL or OMG out loud? I do, but I'm like LOL, like kind of like totally making fun of it because people are like LOL, and they're like totally like fancy. Not. I'm just like LOL. Why is there talking? Oh, I got the colds. Whew. Okay. Anyway. So yeah, I do. Do you wear the same clothing item more than once? Does that mean like in a week? Cause like I'll wear the tank top. I'll wear that like every day. Just kidding, like twice. 2 times in a row. Yeah. Okay, boys. Shush. Sorry, they're out there. They're being butts. Are you racist? Why is that even a question? I'm not even going to answer it because I am not. That is just rude. Why is it a question? You shouldn't be. They're human beings just like you. Who are your favorite YouTubers? Oh my god, that was like fail. Okay, so I like Graveyard Girl. I'll tag her down below. Tag? Why am I saying these? Whatever it is down below. And then I also like us, of course. I do not do YouTube that often. Where is that hair? Okay. I do not do YouTube that often. Yeah. How many tweets do you have? No. 0. I do not have that. Okay, Instagram, Twitter, or Tumblr? Instagram. What do you spend most of your time doing? I'm either knitting, talking to Abby, or playing outside, or sleeping huddled in a blanket. Why? What are you doing here? Okay, okay. Okay, guys, if I curse. How often do you do your nails? So, nyeh. I have this, like right now. They're really ugly. I did them myself. I know, it's kind of grody. Ooh, scary. Then, like, I ripped that one, like, a ton, because I'm just so amazing. And this is what they look like. Where is that camera? Okay. So probably, like, once every 2 weeks, which is, I guess it seems like a lot. But I just do it, like, for fun when I'm bored. Hold on. Boys, please turn that down. I'm trying to make a video. Okay, anyway. How many times have you watched Mean Girls? And oh no, I am not. I still watch SpongeBob. Is that bad? I still watch SpongeBob. He's like, that's like my favorite show, along with my best friend. That's why we are like best friends. And plus we're comedians. I said we're yeah, comedians. How no, that's the same question. Do you own a lot of clothes? No. I'm going shopping now. Congratulations, Allison. I basically wear sweaters every single day that are too small on me. Okay, do you take pictures of your food before you eat it? No. Like, I ate macaroni and cheese today. Are you interested in it? Because I already ate it. Like, poo you. Or like, I ate chicken and steak and stuff today. Why would anyone want to know what you ate unless you're like, oh, it was like gourmet. Like shredded gold onto it. That I would take a picture of. But anyway, do you wear makeup every day? No. Chance. It's like really weird because everyone in my school, they're like, oh my god, and they're like mascara and blush and lipstick. And I'm like plain face. But anyway, what are your average grades in school? A's and A pluses for like everything. I may have failed a science test because I forgot to study, but nobody knows that yet. Do you usually style your hair? No, I wear a headband every day. That's it. Does that count? I don't know. And last question: do you always look presentable? No. Usually, I like almost most days I really don't brush my hair. But I did today. No, I didn't. I swear, I did not brush my hair. I never look presentable ever. I'm also kind of ugly, so that's also why. That's it. Okay, like and subscribe down below. I'll tag the peoples that I said and my Instagram stuff and yeah, and my Instagram name and maybe I will. Maybe I'll do the Instagram name. But bye, love you guys.